Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to design an effective survey using Team-GPT. My name is Monica and I'm the Customer Success Manager. So, let's say I'm working with Spotify to create a comprehensive user satisfaction survey for their premium subscribers. Let me show you how Team-GPT helps design surveys that generate actionable insights. First, I'll open my project called Survey Design Spotify. This helps me organize all survey-related materials in one place. I've already set up project knowledge, which is crucial because everything added here will be referenced in every chat within this project. Let me show you what I've included. For project information, I've defined our research objectives. Design a user satisfaction survey for Spotify Premium subscribers that measures satisfaction with key features, identifies improvement opportunities, and gauges likelihood to renew subscriptions with a focus on the mobile app experience. This survey will target current premium subscribers across multiple demographics to gather comprehensive feedback on the streaming experience, interface usability, content recommendations, and overall value perception. Under examples, I've uploaded our previous survey results summary that shows our overall satisfaction rating of 8.2 out of 10 in Q2 2024, with highest rated features being offline listening and playlist curation, while podcast discovery and social sharing scored lowest. For links, I've added resources from SurveyMonkey on survey guidelines and Pew Research's guide on writing survey questions. Finally, I've uploaded two key documents: our detailed Spotify Premium user segmentation data that breaks down our subscribers by demographics and behavioral segments. I also uploaded the previous survey's findings report from Q3 2024, which provides valuable context about past satisfaction metrics and user feedback. Let's use the web browsing feature to research survey best practices specifically for digital subscription services, ensuring we follow the best methodologies and practices. Go to web browsing. I'm going to type in, "Give me the best survey practices in 2025, specifically for digital subscription services." As you can see, I got a detailed research with direct citation sources. Now, I will get this chart and paste it inside my project knowledge. Now, I'm going to start a chat requesting a comprehensive survey structure based on Spotify's specific research objectives and our findings. I'm going to use one of the prompts that I have saved on my prompt library named Comprehensive Survey Structure Generator. Let's also request a data analysis framework that outlines how to interpret results, identify key drivers of satisfaction, and prioritize improvement opportunities based on survey responses. Finally, I'll go back to the survey Team-GPT has generated and turn the chat output into a page. This will allow me to edit the questions paragraph by paragraph with AI. In Pages, I can format the survey with clear sections, response options, and analysis guidelines for Spotify's research team. And there we have it, a comprehensive user satisfaction survey that will guide Spotify actionable insights to improve their premium service. This workflow helps research teams design surveys that will generate reliable data while maintaining respondent engagement throughout the entire process.